Getting ready to bench bleed master cylinder, and this is not what the video's about. Is like how to do that. There's a zillion videos on how to do that. I just wanted to show you guys how you could save some money by not doing what I did, which is I bought this big kit. I mean, we're talking about like saving $5 here, but still, somebody recommended buying this kit because you get 2 of each size of the fittings, you know, that go into the master cylinder. And I thought, yeah, well, there's two of these. I better get the big kit, get the $12 kit instead of the $6 kit. But here's the thing. I mean, first of all, you get way more fittings than you're ever going to need in your entire life. But this is the thing. They sell another kit that has 1 of each fitting, 1 of each size, right? And it's fine because these are different sizes. They're different. This is on a Chevy, right? GM. This is 9/16. This is 1/2 over here. They're different. And you know, some of you know that already. I didn't know that. I kind of looked at it and I thought, oh yeah, I better get the big kit with 2 of each size. Anyway, that's all. That's all this video is about. I'm going to go ahead and bench bleed this. I got some fluid here, and get the appropriate plunger and plunge away. All right. Check it out, guys. Look at that. Started off pretty crispy crusty, and I've just been brushing it with this metal brush. Now, I know some of you are like, why would you spend time doing that? Who cares? Well, who's going to have the better looking brake lines is my question. Anyway, yeah, I'm just cleaning stuff up, you know, because why not just do it once? Not going to keep doing it every weekend. I just want to do it once so that when the car's back together, you know, it looks good and it starts off its new life looking pretty good. Anyway, not bad for some old ass original 50-year-old crusty ass brake lines. All right, see you later. All right, well, judge me if you want. These are the old brake lines from the non-boosted master cylinder position. So they're a little wonky. I don't know if that's going to be a problem. This one goes up before it goes down. I think it's going to be okay. I mean, there's not going to be any air in there, right? Because I'm going to bleed the crap out of them. So 7-inch booster, not 9. I like the smaller size. New master cylinder. And I did paint it with some like gunmetal gray type of paint. It is bled, it is connected, lines are cleaned up. I think my work here is done. So on to the next thing. So we're gonna revisit this in a while when I bleed the brakes, but I got other fish to fry at the moment. See you guys.